because I wanna prevent people from choosing ending their lives themselves. Especially, I'm addressing to students. Well, from my observation, the reason why people commit suicides nowadays, and it has become really very common nowadays among students, is because of two main factors. The first one, which is the education system in India, and if you think about the education system in India, if you go back, you rewind your life and see your curriculum, all the aspects of your curriculum focuses only on the education, focus only on the academic aspect, while the emotional aspect of your life is not being talked upon or is not being addressed, which happens to fill a larger part of your life. And the second thing which I feel influences a lot of students in their impressionable adolescent age is the cinemas, movies, and television serials. These this world of fantasy has made suicide has shown suicide as an easy solution to many problems, which influences a lot of emotionally weak and sensitive students. And throughout the academics, they are not being the education emotional aspect. The education does not touch the emotional aspect, and when they become young adults, or when they start being independent, at that point of time, they choose the easy option or the stupid option of ending their lives. Well, if you think the solution for this problem, you can't revamp the entire education system in a single day, or can you show everything good in a film or everything good in a television serial? Because it should also give concern to them, also. So what you can do from your side is to have someone to trust upon, to share your pain, to share your sorrows, to share all your struggles. Well, this is because laughter and smiles are expressions which is contagious. Which if someone laughs, you can also laugh with him, not laugh at him, laugh with him. And while pain is an emotion, it's not contagious. You have to share it. Only when you share it with someone, the other person can know what your problem is and can provide a suggestion or a suitable solution. You can share it either electronically or emotionally, but do share it. That's what is important. Well, well, anything changes with time. Time happens to be the greatest healer. You all know, and most of the philosophies also speaks about it, but it doesn't get into your brain. Well, what you can do is from your side is as it is said in a movie, you can carry a pic of your loved ones with you, and when negative emotions flow through your brain, just see their pic and just imagine their faces crying, with which will take your forward step backwards, and not go forward for ending your life. Well, finally, as you know about gold is so worth, it's so valuable, and to get gold, it had to go through the process of heating and cooling. And similarly, no one has tasted success in this world without tasting failure. So don't take the stupid option of ending your life, and don't ever put a full stop to it. There are more commas in life, and never ever a full stop. Don't put a full stop to it by yourself. Thank you. Have a great day, and keep smiling always.